So hello everyone, this is the part one of my building clinic management system. So in the whole series, I'll be showing you what I have done and what the problems I'm facing and how I'm solving it. And at the end, I'll be building it like a full clinic management system. I'm going to sell it to my like nearby clinic and also in the future to like big clinics. So let me just get started. So just now I have initialized the project. As you can see, I'm using the Next.js for it for the full front end backend. And later, if I found out that I have to build mobile application as well, then I will see that how to like API things. But right now, full front end backend is in the same Next.js application. So as you can see that I have created two folders, the app and auth folder. Auth folder will be like having public routes like login, register, and app folder will be protected routes. So like once after the clinic owner logs in, then only this folder will be accessible like in the app. So right now I have not done anything else, and I have just got onto the Google console, and here I have created my credential so that I just want the clinic owner should be able to log in via Google. It is like most easiest way, and later all email and password thing. So that will be later part, but right now only the Google OAuth login will be the best. So I've got the like whatever credentials and I'm going to be adding it, and soon will be created our first login page and register page. So in the next part I'll be showing you that how I've done that, and the next part, and this way the series will continue till I have made this like in the production ready. So meet you in the next video.